question number 4, that is you have to say that whether the following statement is true or false. Okay, and the first question is every natural number is a whole number. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers except 0, all the numbers are natural numbers. Okay, and so on. And what are whole numbers? Including 0, all the numbers are whole numbers. Okay, so we can say that every natural number is a whole number. So the statement is true. Question number 2, that is every integer is a whole number. We know that whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So positive integers are whole numbers, but negative integers are not whole numbers. So this statement is false. And the question number 3, that is every rational number is a whole number. We know that what are whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. And what are rational numbers, जिसको हम p by q के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, that is 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7. Okay, these are rational numbers. Rational numbers. So rational numbers are not whole numbers. Okay, rational numbers are not whole numbers. So every rational number is not a whole number. Okay, so the statement is false.